Good morning, day 57 of 75 Hard. On Facebook, there's an enormous Facebook group for it's the official 75 Hard Facebook group. There's like tens of thousands of people in there. And I saw a guy post yesterday. He had a before and after and looked fantastic, like big physical transformation. And it said, day 62, caved and ate pizza, starting over. And I looked at that and I was like, number one, what the fuck? Number two, why? Like, why would you do that? And I've talked previously about, I think the number one reason people fail 75 Hard in any fitness self-development program whatsoever is their own self-worth or lack of. And again, obviously this guy had a huge physical transformation. He looked great, lost a lot of weight, lost a lot of body fat. And I don't know who this person is, whatever, right? Like I'm not necessarily judging. I'm always judging. But to intentionally fail at day 62 tells me a lot. And again, I don't know what's going on in that guy's life. Maybe he had something traumatic happen that day and he reverted back to food for comfort, but there's something there that's not connecting. There's a lesson that still needs to be learned. Again, a lot of people would kill to have those physical results, but the mental side of this is just as important. And that to me looks like complete self-sabotage. So like, learn the lessons you're supposed to learn and hammer them home. That's why it's 75 days and not 42 or 62 or whatever, because it takes a while, you know? Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later. All right, party people, day 57 is a wrap. We had all the stuff done hours ago, just finished dinner, took out the trash somewhere. I don't know, somewhere in there. We've kind of entered the don't fuck it up phase. That's what I like to call it. You get close to day 60, between like 55 and 70 is really just like, don't fuck it up. Don't neglect your checklist. Don't think you just got it in the bag. Like, stick to the routine, stick to the plan, keep doing the things you've been doing that got you this far, and they will continue to get you all the way through to the finish line and beyond. So we're not in cruise control. We're still pushing. And but everything feels good. The weather's warming up. I think all the bad cold weather's done finally, which makes the outdoor workout amazing. Working on my tan now. So y'all have a great night. See you tomorrow. Make good choices.